we have a tradition of providing our sponsors with a plug to appreciate them for what they've done for us during major tournaments. And this evening, we are here to do the same. The first plug goes to PaySwitch, Ghana. Next is Guinness Ghana Breweries, GGBL PLC. Next is Vanguard Assurance. Sinapi Aba Savings and Loans Limited. Sinapi. The next one is a very special award. It goes to our media partners, Ashanti Broadcasting Corporation and Opemsuo. The next is EcoBank Ghana PLC. EcoBank Ghana. Next is GTS Drilling. GTS Drilling. And then to our title and headline sponsors, Telecel Ghana. Telecel Ghana. We now move on to the special competition that is held among our sponsors, staff of our sponsors, known as the Sponsors Tournament. And we start with the executive group. They play to 9 holes. And in second position from GTS Drilling is Benjamin Callum with 13 Stableford points. 13 Stableford points. The winner of the Sponsors Group B tournament is Isaac Ochedaku from Sinapi Aba. He returned 14 Stableford points over 9 holes. We now move on to the main Sponsors Tournament, played over 18 holes. In third position from PaySwitch with 34 Stableford points, Kojo Choi. In second position, with 39 Stableford points from Telecel, Samuel Sapon. And the winner of the sponsors tournament, for those of us who are golfers, this is an outstanding score. She returned 50 Stableford points to take home the sponsors tournament. Pearl Andrews from Sinapiaba. Pearl Andrews from Sinapiaba. Your Royal Majesty, I seek your permission to present the prizes to the various winners. We start with the professionals. The lady pros. Last year, she was interrupted, but she was the first lady pro to win their tournament. And this year, she came back with a vengeance and took away the tournament. The winner of the lady pros category, Irene Nakalembe from Uganda. Irene Nakalembe from Uganda. The men's category is gradually turning to be a monopoly. This gentleman from the center of the world in Tema won in 2017, 2018, 2020, 2021, 2023, and this year. And I'm proud to present the winner of the Pro, Vincent Toga, from the center of the world in Tema. He just returned on Monday after winning the Gabon Open. So it's a double winner for him. We now come to the amateur section. And we start with the seniors category B. These are golfers who are 70 years and above. And as a sign of respect, they play only 9 holes. And the winner, in second position from the Royal Golf Club with 12 Stableford points, Mr. Seth Apiedu. He has nominated Mr. G.K. Boatin to pick up the trophy for him. The winner of the seniors category and the defending champion, Margaret Odro from the Royal Golf Club. The seniors category A, they play over 18 holes and they are above 60 years. In third position from the Royal Golf Club with 34 Stableford points, Samuel Oche. And Mr. Chris Apewopon will be taking his prize. The second position in the seniors category goes to Kwame Adukufo with 35 stable forward points. And the winner of the seniors category A from the Royal Golf Club with 36 stable forward points, Richard Osebuachi. Yo. Now to ladies support. In third position from the Royal Golf Club with 31 stable forward points, Samira Abdullah. In second position, beating on count back from the Royal Golf Club, Eunice Impeniansa. And the winner of the ladies support category, also from the Royal Golf Club with 36 stable forward points, Akoko Anan. Men's support group B. In third position with 37 stable forward points, Alex Clark from the Royal Golf Club. In second position from Insuta, we have Sadiq Kwenu, who returned 40 stable forward points. He lost on count back. Sadiq Kwenu from Insuta. And the winner of the men's support group B, Peter Bimper from the Royal Golf Club, also with 40 stable forward points. Peter Bimper from the Royal Golf Club. We now move on to the men's support category A. In third position from the Royal Golf Club, Ben Blay Ofosubakun. Can somebody pick up for Ben Blay? In second position, also from the Royal Golf Club, is Dr. Atukwansa. He returned 38 Stableford points. And the winner of the men's support group A comes from a winning group. They always win. If it's not this one, it's the other one. We call them the Menchia golfers. Richard Osei-Bonsu from the Royal Golf Club with 38 Stableford points. Now to ladies handicap. Ladies handicap. In second position, with a net score of 147 over 36 holes, Aisha Aminu from the Royal Golf Club, a product of the youth system. Aisha Aminu. The winner of the ladies handicap category is Vivian Dick from the Royal Golf Club with a net score of 145 over 36 holes. The next category, the men's handicap. In fourth position from the Royal Golf Club, Bismarck Intiedu Dapa. In third position from the Royal Golf Club, James Thompson. James Thompson. Okay, Daniel. In second position from the Royal Golf Club, Leslie Boachi Yadom. Leslie Boachi Yadom. The winner of the men's handicap category returned a net score of 148 over 36 holes. Edwin Nkatia Frimpong from the Royal Golf Club. And he gets a nice travel back from Telecel. Maybe they are telling you to travel abroad to play golf. So we'll see whether they would add some money to it. Okay, we now move on to the ladies' championship. In second position from the Achimota Golf Club, Mary Prempe. Now to the men's championship. In 6th place from the Royal Golf Club with 250 over 72 holes. Daniel Intim. In 5th position from the Royal Golf Club, Christopher Osei Kobina, popularly known as Lawyer. The 4th position goes to Michael Boateng, also from the Royal Golf Club. In 3rd position, from the Center of the World Golf Club, Francis Panti, from the Royal Center of the World. In 2nd position, from the Tafo Golf Club, Christopher Mbi from Tafo Golf Club. We now come to the winners of the main category, the ladies champions, and then the ladies championship and men championship. We start with the ladies. And would humbly ask Mrs. Obunai to help us with the presentation. From La Côte d'Ivoire, with a gross score of 180 over 36 holes, Samira Kangute. Thank you. We now come to the overall winner of the 68th Asantehene Open Golf Championship, amateur division. He's a young man, very, very talented, from Celebrity Golf Club, the winner of the 68th Asantehene Open Championship amateurs is Kingsley Afo. And as customs, The chairman. Okay, is that bra, bra, bra. Last year. Your Royal Majesty, this is the end of the presentation of prizes. Thank you very much.